What if I told you that India is building a miniature sun right here on the earth? A machine that burns hotter than the sun but at the same time does not pollute and could power the entire earth for millions of years. And no, this is not sci fi, it is happening right here in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. At the Institute of Plasma, scientists are recreating what happens inside the sun, where hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium, releasing massive amount of energy. This is called nuclear fusion, the concept that powers the stars of the entire universe. This experiment is called the Steady Superconducting Tokamak or SST-1. It's a part of a bigger international research called International Thermostat Experimental Reactor, also abbreviated as ITER. ITER is like the Avengers of science. 35 countries like India, US, Russia, Japan, etc. have come together to build the world's largest fusion reactor in South France. Plasma inside the reactor reaches the temperature of 150 million degrees Celsius, which is 10 times that of the sun. But that's not even the cool part. The cooler part is that India isn't just participating this time, it is actually making a major contribution to the project by providing some key components like superconducting magnets which holds the plasma in place, cryogenic systems which cool the reactor to near absolute zero, RF power systems to heat the plasma to 1,000,000 degrees Celsius. The country that prays to the sun god or Surya Bhagwan is now building a sun of its own. Isn't that cool? Also, don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe because I keep on bringing these things to you on a daily basis, and there's no harm in learning new things about the universe that you are a part of.